Hey guys, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making the best edible cookie dough. This is super easy and takes about 5 minutes to make. The winner of this video's common competition goes to Music Flow Lofi. Congratulations. If you guys want to get entered in the next comment competition, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and give us your best comment in the comment section down below. Good luck! In a stand-up mixer, you're going to beat together 1 cup of almost melted butter and 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Alright, now you're going to mix in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk. Now add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Finally, add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you might also like Brooke's sugar cookie video, and you can click up in the top right corner to check that video out. Also, remember to come back to our channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 11:30 Central Time, to watch our videos premiere. Thanks, guys.